you want to see my skin? I did it yesterday.
What is that?
It's a number 2 pencil.
Oh, that's okay. Yeah, all right. That's that actually took me a while to figure out. He is the weirdest. I don't even know what. So Dan, do you happen to have an ender bow?
I do not yet.
Go ahead and give that thing a try. I want to see what it does.
I'm going to die, aren't I?
I don't think so. Oh, free stuff. Where'd you go?
It teleported me outside.
Too bad I didn't get that on camera. Where's your stuff?
It took away all my junk.
Yeah, there's a bunch of junk on the floor. What's going on?
Way to be.
Yeah, I'd say kind of don't shoot a player with that.
I wasn't planning on it in the first place.
Yeah, see, I think that was a fluke, so I'm just gonna try to peg when you're not looking. Whoa! Holy crap. Well, that's great. Took away half my health, all my items, and now I'm up on the cliff.
That's kind of funny, actually. Oh, you did it again.
It's kind of fun, actually.
Way to be.
I'm sure there's no consequences for this. Oh no! I was punished for my impish nature!
Good job. Yes.
Well, that was fun.